Hey everyone, welcome to all of you in this video. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Grainberry cereal reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether Grainberry cereal is a legit product or a scam one. And this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end, guys, because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of Grainberry cereals, and guys, these are the first and only cereals to have Onyx sorghum. This company grows its sorghum and ancient nutrient grains, and these cereals are available in 6 different delicious varieties. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. And let's get started with the specifications of Grainberry cereals. So guys, started with the specifications. These cereals contain the onyx sorghum, which increases the cereal's capacity to fight against the free radicals. So this is a positive sign here. Apart from that, these cereals are available in 12.9 inches into 12.1 inches into 8.8 inches box, and the weight of this Grainberry cereal box is 340 grams. Apart from that, it absorbs less sugar inside it, and it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, calcium, iron and other dietary nutrients, which is a positive sign. Apart from that, it is available in 6 delicious types including honey nut, apple cinnamon, toasted oats, shredded wheat and cinnamon shredded wheat, brain flakes, etc. You can view the types of these cereals. And talking about the pros of these cereals, guys, so it has 40% lesser sugar than other without additives and preservatives. Apart from that, it is full of vitamins and other nutrients. And guys, these cereals are antioxidant products which are good for health. They are rich in fiber. They provide more radical protection as compared to other cereals and grains. And some cereals are sugar free and salt free as well. It has fresh onyx sorghum. So guys, these are the pros of the Grainberry cereals, and it is available on an e-commerce store for many years in the United States. When it comes to the customer reviews, guys, talking about Grainberry cereal reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this product on the internet. We have found various positive reviews and negative reviews as well, and we have found 4.4 rating out of 5 on Amazon as well. Guys, one of the customers said Grainberry has only 6 gram of sugar per cup compared to Cheerios, which has 12 gram of sugar per cup. I tried this cereal on a whim and I loved it so much it has become my go-to cereal. The cereal itself is a super tasty, and the grain used to make the cereal has antioxidants. I love this product. So this was the customer review, and guys, many customers or many users said these cereals are healthy and delicious to eat. However, some do not love its taste and say it is expensive. So we have found majority of positive and negative reviews as well. So it's totally up to you. We found this product legit, guys, and yes, before the purchase of the cereals, please check out the flavor and ingredients properly on your own as per your requirements. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Apart from that, guys, this product has gained popularity on social media platforms as well. The site or the product has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest as well. This define its legitimacy. So guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product. If you have any problem, then you can check out the description box and we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.